Hi, friends! Have you ever seen a lightning bolt and wondered, what makes lightning strike? Let's find out! When clouds move around, they bump into each other and create static electricity. One cloud gets a positive charge and the other gets a negative charge. Opposites attract. When the negative charge in the cloud meets the positive charge on the ground, zap! That's a lightning strike! Did you know lightning can strike the ground, trees, or even buildings? But don't worry, umbrellas won't attract lightning. Stay safe inside during a storm. Wow, lightning is amazing, isn't it? Thanks for learning with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more flash facts with Giggle and Play. Bye! Hey there, Giggle and Play explorers. Did you have fun learning with us today? We hope you did. Don't forget to hit the like button to show some love. Tap subscribe so you can join the Giggle and Play adventure every time we post. And hey, why not share